In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Pinterest account. If you've decided you're done with Pinterest, or you just want to clean up your online presence, I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. We'll be using the Pinterest Business Hub layout, but the process is very similar on most accounts. First, open your web browser and go to Pinterest. Then make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. You should land on either your Business Hub dashboard or your usual home feed. Take a moment to double check that this is the right account, especially if you manage more than one. Once this account is deleted, your boards, pins, and followers associated with it will eventually be removed, so you want to be absolutely sure. Next, look at the very top right corner of the page. You'll see a small profile picture or an icon that opens a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down. This menu is where Pinterest hides most of your account options and controls. From that drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your main settings area where you can manage things like profile details, privacy, and security. We're focusing on the section that controls your overall account. On the left-hand side of the settings page, look for Account Management and click on it. This part of the settings is specifically for big picture actions on your account, such as deactivating or deleting it, changing your account type, and other similar options. Once you're in Account Management, scroll until you see the option that says Delete Account. This is the option that permanently closes your Pinterest account and removes your profile. Go ahead and click on Delete Account. Pinterest may show you a short explanation of what this means, usually reminding you that your profile and boards will be disabled and then permanently deleted after a certain period. After you click Delete, Pinterest will ask you to confirm that you really want to do this. This is to prevent accidental deletions. When you're ready, click on Continue to confirm. You might be asked one more time, or Pinterest may send a confirmation link to your email. Follow any on-screen prompts until you see a final message confirming that your account is being deleted. And that's it. You've successfully started the process to delete your Pinterest account.